Alright, yo, what's up everybody? What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video right here. Now, I was gonna show this off in a later video in a few weeks when I actually receive all my orders that I put in off of eBay. But this one is pretty big, and I thought this, deserved its own genuine video for itself. So I'm going to be showing off my Freemason's Masonic Master Reference Heirloom Red Letter Edition Holy Bible. I bought this off of eBay for $13 with how much that was it. No, there was a tax fee, a $10 delivery fee, $11 just about, plus tax. So I'm going to take this out. Clear that off. And so what's funny is when my dad died, I went to the funeral home, and it was a Masonic funeral home, and they had one of these right here. But this is red letter Freemason's Masonic Master Reference Heirloom Red Letter Edition Holy Bible. So not a lot of truthers know what's inside these, because I think a lot of them are too scared to have them. And why would people have one, if you're not a Mason? But I mean, they're not very hard to come across. They're easily, obtainable, very cheap on eBay. People are always uploading these. So the running belief in Freemasonry is that Christ himself was a Freemason, and they will tell you that, because I've been told that by an Eastern Star member before. So again, this is the cover. Here we got artwork. I'm just going to show what's inside the front of it. And these are where the Masons keep track of their family members and stuff. We'll look at who this was in a moment. And then we'll skip to the back. Here we go. Holy Bible, Old and New Testaments, translated out of the original tongues, and all former translations diligently compared and revised. Red letter edition, pictorial pronouncing dictionary, and other interesting instructive features. Alright, let's see. What do we have here? Copyright. Table of context. 33 most inspiring and consoling Bible verses. The names and the orders. Now, the other little Masonic Bible that I also ordered, I think it was a Yorkite blue letter edition, and it had a table of context of the Masonic orders. So I'll show that off in a couple weeks, I think, once I get everything. The books of the New Testament, the books of the Old Testament. Here we have George Washington, the fatherhood of God, the brotherhood of man. Here we go. If you didn't know, look, the Eye of Ra over this country's capital. Masonic presidents of our history. It's on camera. If you want to clip this, go ahead. Because, you know somebody who has one of these now. Harry Truman. Here we have the building of King Solomon's temple. Right here. More artwork. Let's keep on going. Go one at a time, baby. Ruth and Boaz. Let's see. See, this is a Scottish Rite. Ancient and accepted Scottish Rite record. York Rite record. Brother. See, there's a lot of shit in Washington, D.C. I showed this right here in a video. This building. Wow, but see, here's the thing. Eastern Star International Headquarters, Scottish Rite Temple, George Washington Masonic National Memorial. See, America was founded on Freemasonry. Freemasonry in the Holy Bible. If you want to read that, let's zoom out a little bit. Aerial view, baby. Aerial view. Alright, let's keep on going. How about I didn't skip anything? I'm going to look over this later. The internal workings of Freemasonry. Alright, let's see, what does that say? Blue Lodge Masonry. Fellow Craft degree. The Master degree. Royal Arch Masonry in the York Rite. Master degree. Yeah, because I'm a Mark Mason. Triple M 33. You didn't catch that right there. Past Master degree. Most Excellent Master. Royal Arch Cryptic Masonry. Royal Master's degree. Select Master degree. Super Excellent, the Order of Knights Templar, the Illustrious Order of the Red Cross. See, Red Cross, more Red Cross symbolism. The Order of Malta, the Knights Malta, the Knights of Malta, the Order of Knights Templar. Let's keep going. Ancient and accepted Scottish Rite Masonry, Secret Master. What do we have right here? Knights of the East, Prince of Jerusalem, Chapter of Rose, the Red Cross. Go back to that national color of red. Sparta, Rome, Esau, Provost and Judge, Intendant of the Building degree, Elect of the 9 degree, Grand Master Architect degree, Knight of the 9th Arch, Sublime Knight Select of the 12 degree, 12, Illustrious Elect of the 15th degree, Elect Perfect and Sublime Master degree, Prince of Jerusalem, Knights of the East and West degree, Grand Pontiff degree, Prince or Knight Rose Crux degree, Grand Master of Symbolic Lodges degree, Noahite or Prussian the Knights degree. Prussian, that was like Germany at one time. Knights of the Royal Axe degree, Chief of the Tabernacle degree, Prince of the Tabernacle degree, Prince of the Mercy degree, Knight of the Brazen Serpent degree, Knight Commander of the Temple degree, Grand Scottish Knight of St. Andrew degree, Knight of Kadash degree. Let's keep going. Grand Inspector Inquisitor Commander degree. Damn, that's the name. Sublime Prince of the Royal Secret degree. What do we get? Sovereign Grand Inspector General degree. Order of the Eastern Star. Ooh. Jeffett's daughter. the 5 heroines of the Eastern Stars, right? So when you see the Eastern Star pentagram, I actually have an Eastern Star book coming soon too. They say that the inverted pentagram represents the five illustrious female heroes, and here we have them: Esther, Electa, Martha. Where's the other ones? Let's skip a page. No, Ruth and Jephthah's daughter. Oh, okay. So that'd be the 5 right there. But the inverted pentagram is supposedly supposed to reference the 5 female heroes of the Bible. But they always give you that answer. But when you go back to ask them, well, why is it an inverted pentagram? They just tell you this. Like, there's like, or they'll talk about what the colors mean. There's never a straight answer on why it's an inverted star. Questions and answers relating to the history and work of Freemasonry and of the Eastern Star, not of a biblical nature. Architect Arrow Broad. Let's see. I'm not going to read this one, but I'll get these on camera right here, son. Alright, let's keep going. Questions and answers. Questions and answers. We already know the questions and we already know the answers. Pertinent informants of relating to the biblical words, phrases, characters, events, and places associated with the ritual and the teachings of Freemasonry. Get that one on it right here. Skip a little bit and see what we got. Biblical Index of Freemasonry. Ooh. It should be good. If anybody wants me to do a separate video going over this, I'm going to skip through most of these. I only got 17 minutes left. So we'll keep going. These are all biblical index to Freemasonry. Damn, these fucking Master Masons. Fucking got a lot of shit to study. Fucking even on top of this, they got more and more growth of Freemasonry in recent years. This book was in 2000. The Tabernacle of Moses. The Ark of the Covenant in the Tabernacle. King Solomon's Temple. The Bible. Calendar and daily readings of Scripture. Alright, now these are just all indexes. And talking about Christian life, making success of Christian life, talking about Jesus. Let's keep going. Parables of Christ, when Jesus said on practical everyday topics. Here we go, the Old Testament. So the rest were just like indexes and shit with names. Genesis. Alright. So I'll just browse through here. It's basically the Bible. Just, there's a lot of illustrations in between. We'll put this one on camera for a moment. You probably buy one of these online somewhere if you have the money. This one cost me about $20 bucks. $25. If I find any more illustrations while I'm flipping through this, I'll show that. I'm just trying to keep up with the time frame right here, because if I upload this really quick, I can get this on the internet really fast. Alright. Art. Dictionary of the Bible. Oh, okay, so there's a dictionary. Look at all this. Yeah, that's cool. That's real cool. Concordance. This is a red letter Bible, so it'll probably be up to what you would expect in one of those. Concordance. Let's see what we got back over here. Guide to the laws of the Bible. Let's see. Talk about law. Well, that's still the concordance. The guide to the laws of the Bible. Our Hebrew friends might want to see this and what's inside of it. Talking about the Mosaic law. So, people like me and the Old Testers may enjoy this. I don't know if I did that. But then again, I can't complain. Because this was probably a couple $100. Maybe $1,000. This shit's fucking huge. And then we got a map after this. Got the index to Scriptural Atlas. Antioch in Syria. Antioch in Pisidia. Amphibia. Amphipolis. Anab. R of Moab. Arabia. Arad. Aram. And we have the land of Canaan. In the Middle East. Ephraim, Judah, Philistine. Look, that's where Gaza is. See that? Damn. And then we got Palestine, which would be Israel. You got the city of Jerusalem. Wilderness of St. John, Bethlehem, Brook of Kidron, Bethany and Shemesh, Road to Jericho, Ramah, Geba, Beeroth, Bethel, Emis, and yeah, that's about it. So I just wanted to show this off. If you want to see this later on, stay tuned. My name is 2 Liter J. Catch up.